A lot of traditional turkey games that are around here, but the one that I highly take to and what's the most important to me and my family is stickball, because that's how we made our warriors back in the day. You know, that's how they came up, and passing that on is just for the younger ones to pass it on to theirs. It's all about just going back to passing everything on. If you had it, you know, pass your knowledge on and get your kids out, be active. Family time's the most important thing, and that's how you can pass stuff on. Because the younger ones, they'll listen. You just gotta talk.
Hi, Shannon Andrews in Gunny. I'm a dietitian and a nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwa Rujay Talk. Toragoon.
Today we are making pecan holiday coleslaw. For this recipe you will need 8 cups cabbage, sliced thin, 2 cups celery, sliced thin, 1 red apple, sliced thin, 1 cup pecans, chopped, half a cup Greek yogurt, plain, non-fat, half a cup applesauce, unsweetened, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, this is optional. In a large mixing bowl, add cabbage, celery, apple, and pecans. Stir to combine. Change it up. Other types of cabbage could be used. Swap red for green or use a mix of both. Instead of an apple, try a pear or carrot. Walnuts or almonds could be used instead of pecans. Dried fruit could also be added. Try raisins or dried cranberries. In a small bowl, add yogurt, applesauce, and cinnamon if using, and whisk together. Pour over slaw. Stir to combine. The Otoe word for pecan is Wada-throsje. Indigenous people of North America have planted, cared for, and eaten pecans for thousands of years. The word pecan even originated from the Algonquin language. The pecan is the only tree nut native to North America. Pecans were easy to gather and store to be eaten later. Big batches of pecans could be buried in the ground for storage through the winter, or carried in a leather pouch for travel. Some tribes use the bark and leaves of the pecan tree for medicine. There are more than 1,000 varieties of pecans, and many are named after tribes. Pawnee, Kansas, Wichita, and Lakota, for example. And of course, pecans are still eaten and enjoyed by many today. Serve coleslaw right away or chill for later. This recipe makes 21 servings. Enjoy!